Dayana is his old karaoke buddy. It's so good to see you here. As we know, this topic tops the headlines so often. Addiction is an issue in America and right here in the tri-state. And thankfully, the medical team at Dr. Malak's office can offer some real life-giving help. Dayana Kendrick is a family nurse practitioner at that practice. Welcome to Lifestyles.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. So this is just such a central topic to family life in the tri-state. And so opioid addiction and addictions in general just ruin lives, as you see every day. But you have really the promise of a new life with the treatment. So what's that like?
Absolutely. So opioid dependence is something that affects every kind of person, you know, from young adults, parents, professionals. And it's important for people to understand that addiction is actually a medical condition. It's not a moral failing. At Dr. Malak's office, we provide compassionate, evidence-based practice. You know, we take the time to get to know our patients and provide just overall, you know, care for them from the body to the mind.
Well, that's what I was going to ask next, because it's not a one-size-fits-all.
That's
for
right.
people. You take the whole person into consideration. So what does treatment look like? What's the process? You know, is there a window of time that people are in that treatment? What are all those factors?
Absolutely. So we begin with an evaluation of each patient to understand their personal history and their goals. From there, we create a individualized treatment plan, which may involve medication-assisted treatment like Suboxone or buprenorphine, which help control cravings and reduce withdrawal symptoms. We combine that with therapy and counseling because, again, addiction is, you know, it's tough. You know, recovery affects the body and the mind, and we need to make sure that we're treating that. You know, our patients continue to work, they continue to take care of their families and rebuild their lives while in treatment.
Well, you know, just listening to you talk, one of the things that impresses me so is that it's not just here, take this medicine and we'll see you. This is that comprehensive package of seeing you as a whole individual,
Absolutely.
Including your family members as well,
Absolutely.
the people who love you. You know, as you know, because you're in this field all the time, there's such a stigma around mental health, and talk to us about that and why that is and why it shouldn't be.
There definitely should not be. So seeking treatment is actually a sign of strength, not weakness, and that is my main takeaway that I want people to get from this. It is a sign of strength. You know, we provide a judgment-free, supportive environment. Most of our team members have years of experience in addiction medicine, all led by Dr. Malak, who is one of the very few board-certified addiction medicine physicians in Evansville. You know, recovery is absolutely possible. We've seen hundreds of patients turn their lives around with the right support.
And you're in professional hands, and that's a good thing. You can be confident of that. Where are you located, and how can people reach out to you?
So they can reach us by phone at 812-402-3700. Our address is 4972 Lincoln Avenue. You can visit us online at drmalaksoffice.com, or you can simply walk in. No appointment needed, no referrals needed to walk in. We offer same-week appointments, and everything is handled privately and with respect.
You can change your life, and this is the hand of hope being offered to you. Dayana, thank you so much for what you and your team do.
Thank you.
You make the tri-state a better place to live.
Oh, but thank you.
We'll be back with more Lifestyles right after this. Stick around.